Welcome back. A month after e-commerce giant JD.com's successful IPO, another Chinese tech giant is making waves here at the NASDAQ. Xunlei, one of China's largest internet companies, closed out its U.S. debut with the shares just under $15, and that's more than 24% higher than the firm's initial offering price of $12. The digital content provider's IPO raised $88 million. Xunlei is one of the top 10 largest Chinese internet companies as measured by user base, and it offers digital content acceleration and online video services. The company is also expanding to include gaming and pay-per-view options. And I spoke to Xunlei's founder and CEO, Sean Zhu, and CFO Thomas Wu about the company's business strategy post the IPO.
So the IPO and IPO proceeds will help us further embolden our balance sheet. And secondly, we'll look at the opportunities, new areas to expand in the form of acquisitions. Obviously, there are a number of opportunities that, across the range. Most likely one area that we may look at will be in the area of storage. So as Sean mentioned, our value proposition is to help users access internet better.
So you're planning on injecting the funds back into the company immediately and bolstering your storage facilities?
There are a number of strategic initiatives we're examining from an expansion perspective. But first and foremost, it's to ensure we have a strong balance sheet, to fortify ourselves, to make sure that we can execute our strategic initiatives and deliver our user value proposition. But certainly, acquisition is one of the possibilities.
Well, so far the IPO has received a very warm welcome here at the NASDAQ. The shares have popped up. Why should investors buy shares in Xunlei? Why should I buy this company?
Well, Xunlei really stands for the speed of content delivery. And if we believe in the secular trend of consumer content consumption, especially on high-quality videos, games, we should believe in Xunlei have that best chance to grab the fruit of the opportunity.
What do you say, Tom? Why should I be getting into this market with Xunlei?
That's a great question, Michelle. I think in a modern ecosystem, if you will, in a modern internet age, essentially three components are critical. Number one, you have to have good hardware. Number two, you have to have good content. And number three, you have to have good content delivery technology. And that's where Xunlei fits in. So the bottom line is, if you believe in the secular trend of digital media consumption as a growth driver going forward, then Xunlei is uniquely positioned to benefit from that growth trend.
Let's talk about your revenue streams, because you do offer various revenue streams, from content delivery to acceleration to actual content that you create. Which revenue stream do you see having the most growth going forward?
I'll take a stab at it, and certainly Sean will add to it. I think the growth driver for Xunlei going forward will primarily focus on anything that we can take advantage of using our incredibly strong technology platform. We can go into that a little bit more, but frankly, it's a very innovative company. We crowdsource computing facilities out there. Crowdsourcing is kind of a fashionable term now, but we've done that for the last 10 years, way before that word even became a part of people's vocabulary. So acceleration is a natural application of our ability to crowdsource people's computing ability. So acceleration will be probably the focus of the company going forward.
Well, you mentioned acceleration, and your accelerator product has 140 million users per month. How do you plan to leverage that and boost further products tied to the accelerator?
Yeah, our total number of monthly users are 300 million, out of which 200 million are our acceleration product users. We're really going to provide users with more valid services toward that end by providing more features around the data acceleration as well as data storage.
Now, because you offer so many different services, you also have a lot of competitors. The accelerator, one of the competitors is Tencent. Baidu. In terms of content, you're competing with Youku. Why Xunlei? What's unique about your product?
Well, Xunlei is not about the content. We're really about the technology, especially our technology in content delivery for the content providers.
But what's going to give you the edge over the competition? There's some formidable competitors in the exact same space. Yes, China's internet usage is growing. Yes, there's a big move to secular. But why would I be backing the Xunlei horse?
I think, Michelle, it's the core of the company is technology. The core of the company is our ability to index digital media content on the internet. It's an incredibly powerful platform. So we believe we offer a unique value proposition in the secular trend of the ecosystem which I just described, meaning that content delivery is one of the three tripods, if you will,
right,
to power media consumption going forward. So we're very confident, cautiously confident, obviously, to continue to expand our technology platform and take advantage of the opportunities offered by the marketplace.